Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrators. Today we are going to see some of the basics of fire alarm system. So in the last class we had discussed something about what is fire alarm system, where will I use this, how it looks like, and what are the design stages in it. Okay, and also we had discussed about the design stage 1. Okay, so these are the things, basic things in the design stage 1. Okay. Today we are going to see the design stage 2 in detail. So design stage 2 is nothing but detection and the alarm zones. Means when detection plays important role in detecting the heat as well as the smoke. Okay. So how we are going to do the detection and the alarm zoning? Simple. We are going to break down the buildings into smaller compartments. Okay, so it will be easy for the firefighters to locate the fire as quickly as possible. Okay, and even the compartments, example, if it is a four storage building or a four storage building, we can consider each story as a one compartment. Okay, so that we can make that compartment into a detection zones. So example, a detection zone, okay, it should not cover more than one storage. Example, unless and until if it is less than 300 meters square, if the area is less than 300 meters square, we should not increase more than one storage into a detection zone. Okay, and also um, maximum floor area is also important one. Say for example, in metro stations and all, meter square might be differ, so it should not be greater than 200 meter squares. And also most important thing, the if the firefighters are entering inside the building, okay, if they are searching for something, okay, it should not exceed more than 60 meters. Okay, and most importantly, the vertical structures like stair, lift, they should be considered as a separate zone. Next, now let us try to know about the manual call point. See, if a manual call point within a staircase, okay, it should be connected to the zone associated with that floor. Example, okay, if we are install, if there is a stair from floor 1 to floor 2, okay, so you can install it in the floor nearer to the floor 1, and the manual call point will be looped to the floor 1 only. Okay, and most importantly, as we told earlier, the stairs, lift and all will be considered as a separate, even if there is any automatic sensors, okay, automatic sensors, they should be taken into that staircase detection zone. Okay, next we are trying to see about alarm zonings. See here, same way, why we are creating alarm zone is very simple, in order to avoid any sort of confusion during the evacuation, because the main purpose of this alarm is to alert and evacuate. Okay, so it should be very clear and it should be planned very properly. Okay, because there should not be any overlapping between the two different alarms. Okay, so there is one more important point. Alarm zones may consist of number of detection zones. So why we are going for this alarm zone? It is required, okay, if you want to execute an evacuation stage by stage. Okay, and most importantly, if fire is happening in two different zones, okay, make sure the message should be heard at only once, particularly where the two alarm zones are attached. Okay, thank you so much. Today we have discussed something about the design stage 2. In the forthcoming sessions, we will try to see about the rest of the stages. Thank you. Please subscribe to know more and learn more and to do projects with us related to industrial automation, home automation, and most importantly, solar power plants. Feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.